his final breath. The sky went black as he surrendered unto death. And like a father tears his garments at the death of his son, so the Father tore the veil when he said it is done. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Far as the east to west, he chooses to forget our sin, remember no more. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. The heavy stone rolled as if it had no weight. The Son of God could not be held in any grave. And all the powers of darkness, they trembled in his light. And all the saints and angels shouted, he is alive. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Beneath the tide of grace, our debt has been erased, our sin remembered no more. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Far as the east to west, he chooses to forget our sin, remembered no more. Beneath the tide of grace, our debt has been erased, our sin remembered no more. Our resurrected King now stands in victory. All that was lost will be restored. He's coming back again, and we will rise with him, and sin and death will be no more. Far as the east to west, he chooses to forget our sin, remember no more. Beneath the tide of grace, our debt has been erased, our sin remember no more. Our resurrected King now stands in victory. All that was lost will be restored. He's coming back again, and we will rise with him, and sin and death will be no more. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Behold the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Oh, our resurrected King now stands in victory. All that was lost will be restored.